everyone, Tim and Mary here at the Knott Network.
Yes!
We are at Scary Farm.
It is October 26th. Happy birthday, Knott Scary Farm!
Yes, it was this day 50 years ago, 1973, when they started their first ever Halloween haunt.
Yes,
event.
50 years of history.
You're funny, Mary. So, we got Boofet. We are going to head over there. We haven't done Boofet in a long time.
Yes.
And we also got Fast Lane. So,
Yes.
we're going to do everything. This is our final visit for the season.
Yes!
And let's get out there with the bang.
Woo!
We haven't done this in quite a long time. We are in line for Boofet. Check in for Boofet time. There's music, Halloween tunes.
They're changing up the displays right now.
Ooh, she's already wearing the Christmas stuff. Oh, whoa. Monsters. Hello, monsters. That one. I like against the wall. Oh, perfect. All right, let's check out the desserts. Pecan mint tart. Ooh, assorted cheesecake bites. Pumpkin spice cake. Ooh, that's good. White cake, chocolate cake, sugar-free cakes. Apple pie, boysenberry pie. What is that? It's a nut cookie. Chocolate chip cookies. Ooh, yes. Boysenberry swirl cookie chunks. That looks good. Oreo churros. I don't know what was in there. Cordialas ice cream sandwich. They got some mixed greens. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm gonna get some of that actually. What we got here? Butternut squash soup, veggie chili, tri-colored chips, and salsa. Yes. Looks like they got Mrs. Knott's fried chicken, mashed potatoes, Knott's gravy, country gravy, sauteed peppers, and sausage, scalloped potatoes with ham, mac and cheese, chicken breasts with mushroom cream sauce, mixed seasonal vegetables, barbecue jackfruit. They have hot Cheeto mac and cheese, and then curry chicken with vegetables. There's a few extra things on this side. Chicken tamales. These are like cinnamon rolls right here. There's a bar right there. And over here, they got chilled shrimp with cocktail sauce, lemons. Ooh, even deviled eggs. Slow roasted beef sirloin. Alright, I already dug into my mashed potatoes, but I had mashed potatoes with gravy. I got a piece of chicken. This is mac and cheese with hot Cheeto bites on it. What did Mary get? She got the mashed potatoes, chicken, and shrimps. Yes. And she also already got her dessert. Looks
Chocolate
like
chip cheesecake.
chocolate chip cheesecake. All right. We got some chips and salsa now. Ooh, it's spicy salsa.
Oh!
It's yummy.
Am I gonna burn?
And for some random reason, the lantern turned blue on us. All right, so I got me a pumpkin spice cake and a chocolate cake, chocolate chip cookie, and a Oreo churro.
Yes.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, good. Menace 1 and Menace number 2 are in here. Legendaries. Otis and Gecko. Legendary.
1 hour later.
All right, guys. No. More than that. $1 million, no.
$1 million.
Just like, it's funny when I had my jack-o'-lantern, everybody wanted to buy it too.
Exactly.
And I was like, "You'll give you $50 for it." I'm thinking in my head, I paid more than that to win this thing, probably over the course of doing it. Oh, look, it went blue. It changed. Ooh. All right, we're gonna go on Ghost Rider now. We've got done eating. In just a few minutes, the gates will open to the back. So by the time we get off Ghost Rider, we can go to the back.
Yes.
This is working out perfectly. See, something's turning our lantern blue. Something's turning it blue. Yeah, look, now it's back to normal. So, yes, you guys. The best in the West. You guys, we haven't been on Ghost Rider in a while. I know, right? This is another good part about, yeah, this is a good advantage of Boofet. Want to go in the back? Back row. Front? It's so quiet. I can't believe we're going in the front row. Okay guys, we just got off our first ride. They sat us in the very front. We're gonna see if they'll sit us in the back this time.
Eventually.
This is so nice, the calm before the storm back here. Look at this.
Look at this.
Look, and they haven't sold out the pins, you guys. I will be able to successfully collect them all. Huzzah. We'll do that on the way out of here. All right, what do you want to do first?
Let's do them in order. Waxwork, steps, titties, and butt.
Okay, we're going to do Waxworks first. We will redeem our fast lane after rope drop.
Hi guys, welcome to Waxworks. Vision is to the right.
Yay!
Thank you.
My lantern will guide the way.
United States.
My lantern turned off right here. See? Does it go back on? Oh look, now it's back on.
The left knee.
We just got out of Waxworks. We're gonna go to the depths now. It's final year.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. It's a good one.
Oh, it's gonna be one of our final times going to depths.
I know, it's crazy, guys. This is good though. It's nice back here. There's not a lot of people yet. It's all Boofet Patreons. We got to do Ghost Rider twice. We got our pictures taken care of, so they have the date. R.I.P. R.I.P. The lantern works a lot in this maze too.
I think the most in this maze than any maze.
Maybe this, I don't know. What about Mesmer? Mesmer, it did a lot.
Yeah.
I think it did a lot in Mesmer. It helps you guide you through the night. You can see Mary. It's a pretty bright lantern. Right here. Do it, change color. Like that, it's so crazy how it works instantly. Oh, look at, now it's another final year. Dark Entities. This one changes too in this ride. Like,
remain in approved common areas as directed by access staff.
this maze is so dark, it's cool. Dark Entities. I have a red light. Red light the whole time. Whoa. Creepy and dark and stuff.
And it's space.
And space.
Monster life forms in space. It's scary.
Alright guys. It's getting a little busy now. So we're gonna go, we just finished collecting our pins. Mary got 2 that she wanted to get. I got the final pins that I needed, which were 12 of them. I'm pretty sure I have them all now. All 50 pins. Okay, we're getting our front of the lines.
Concession doors in on your left.
Yeah. We are gonna go for a hootenanny. Face paint time. War paint. War paint. So yes, you guys can still get your face painted during Scary Farm or henna tattoos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ooh, half score. Normal Tim? Or scary Tim? Alright you guys, we did it. This was one of our goals this season too. All right, we're gonna go through Mesmer. We're gonna use the fast lane, even though it's only a 5-minute wait. It's all good. Fast lane always. All right, we're gonna try front of the line for Supreme Scream. It looks like they're only using one tower, so hopefully we don't have to wait too long. I don't think we do. Front of the line usually is legit for.
Is it there?
Yes.
Yes.
You go through the exit. I haven't been on this in a while.
Oh, by the way, guys, I gotta stay off the internet at this point in time at
FNAF,
8:25 because FNAF is officially on Peacock.
It's at 8:25 or not 3
They already
9
announced
o'clock.
it. It's on.
Whee! Up it go. We got a 10, 18, 69, 420. Scream.
The Green Witch.
Oh yeah, it's green for the Green Witch.
Green. While riding, please remain seated, keeping your head back against the headrest at all times. Thank you, and enjoy your ride.
Whee! Away they go. All right, we just got off Supreme Scream. Now we are going through Carnival towards. We're gonna make our way towards room 13. The boogeyman.
No more.
The boogeyman. The boogeyman, hey. In, now we're going to room 13. You guys, like, people are you know what, shout out to our makeup artists. In line for Dr. Cleaver returns. All right, Mary wanted front row.
Front row.
We got front left, but still good enough really in this theater. Yeah? Nobody in front of you to block the heads.
Yeah, no heads. No talking heads.
No heads. And look, the light's already ready for cleaverness.
Our presentation of Dr. Cleaver
No.
If you want, oh, no eating.
No eating are strictly prohibited inside the birdcage.
Halloween is just so much fun. What happened? Oh, Doctor, something came from today. Look.
For me? Whatever could it be, Wolfgang?
I don't know, Master. It's... Whoops. Sorry, I'm upside down.
To my dear cousin the doctor. P.S. Beware of the spell! Wolfgang, remove the sheet!
Grab on the seat! I must first break the spell!
That's the door.
Who can this right now?
I don't know, but I have a hunch.
So do I.
Sheet over the cabinet!
Trick or treat. Dr. Cleaver.
Yes, I'm Dr. Cleavage. Cleaver! We're just rehearsing our act. Yes, I'm a magician, and tonight I shall magish for you.
And I'm a wizard. And tonight, I shall whiz for you.
Would like to be our assistant.
Oh, I don't know. It looks dangerous.
This is merely an illusion.
Oh, an illusion.
I know we hear. You put your hand through here so we know that you're safe, and then I use this apparatus to penetrate you.
That hurts.
Not the way I do it.
Oh. Actually, it looks pretty small. I doubt I feel it.
That's what she said.
I need to be very careful. You see, I too know about
time to break the spell. Crap, I have to say it again. Who's got a lantern? I think that's all you. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, watch this, okay? The spoon! Oh, yeah. Very nice. Totally worth it. $70.
Yeah!
Well, I guess the only thing left to do, okay, is to get rid of this beautiful corpse before the garbage man arrives. Mr. Nectar!
Dr. Cleaver!
She's alive, Wolfgang! It's impossible! She must have broken the spell and harnessed all the power herself!
How dare you try and sacrifice me? I am sent here where all the universe's hardened criminals go.
Oh, God! We're going to California Adventure!
Not really boogie bags.
An illusion.
An illusion.
We are now going to Origins.
And this is so nice. There's nobody in the front of the line.
Yes.
You two, right here, hold up the lantern for me.
Excuse me.
Hold up the lantern for me. You have been chosen for a just and righteous cause. You must use the lantern to guide your loved ones in the darkness. Keep the town of Calico on the straight and narrow. Keep them in the path of the light. And do not stray onto the path of darkness. Use the power of the lantern to destroy the witch once and for all.
Thank you.
Find her and show her no mercy.
You can never escape the grim. Your mama was here. Sarah Marshall lives.
Whispers in the air, where brothers fight brothers, where blood runs.
Thank you so much, Andre.
I am trying to make the bubble last.
Make the bubble last.
See you in the fog. Woo! That was cool. We are in the fog. We are in Fog Alley.
And we got to see you into the fog.
I know, it's cool. Our favorite song's playing, Truckin'. We're going through the chilling chambers. Yay, our favorite maze. Dead of winter.
Eventually.
All right, we just got through Bloodline. We're gonna go through Dark Inities one more time. Oh wait, you can't see. Yeah, there it is.
12 o'clock midnight.
All right. It is 12 o'clock midnight. We are going to look for a certain snake. El Snake. Yeah, that's our favorite song. Look at you guys. They got the lanterns up for Christmas. You see them, Mary? Look, there's a conductor, Mary. Where's he going?
You two are decomposing quite well.
Yes. Halfway there.
The rest of you will catch up with the rest of your folks.
Yes.
It's all a matter of time.
It is.
The good work. Or should I
you.
say, the goop work.
Yes.
We're halfway there. Legendary.
Ah! Oh my goodness. Yes! El Bendito has returned! El Severino!
Fog cart. That's so cool. Fog cart. Fog cart. Fog cart. There he is right there. That looks awesome, by the way. Fog cart. I love it. Boys, this is awesome. I've always wanted to see El Snake. Look at him. His posture, yeah. Look at his posture.
The best
What's he saying?
Take it back, Rebecca.
Foggy down here?
Let's go take the car. Take the car. I hope it tastes better than that at home. Maybe not so much.
Look at how foggy it is at Silver Bullet. Whoa. Alright, we are gonna head to the Silver Bullet. This is our last ride. You can hear the ghost town music. It's nice and foggy everywhere. Ooh, there's Ghost Rider. We did that earlier. We've only done 2. Well, we did the log ride. Alright, guys.
You
I'm hanging
monsters
out
are the
with-
best. We love you guys so much.
Yes, we've been having a really great 50th birthday anniversary. The official birthday. There's only 4 minutes left. Fog Alley. Our final. Ooh, look at that. Oh, we're gonna miss this. We just got off Silver Bullet. That was a fun ride. It hits differently doing Scary Farm.
It really does.
It's dark.
Oh, I hear someone.
Wait, there is monsters still.
Gotta go.
It's cool they made the pecan spooky. Alright guys, it's gonna do it.
Yes.
We're walking to our car right now.
Oh yeah.
We're almost there. We're at the Primo lot. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, monsters, for a great season of Scary
seriously,
Farm.
we love you guys so much. You guys truly you are Scary Farm. You make
Yes.
Scary Farm everything we love.
Monsters, crew,
You know? Yes.
the regular staff,
Yes.
the blackouts,
Yes.
line control, everybody.
Yes. Everybody.
Guys,
Thank you.
you're all needed very much. We can't wait to see you all next year, 2024.
Oh yeah.
Just a few short months, we will start doing our weekly Scary Farm updates.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, we're in our car now.
Yes, safe and sound.
Yeah, it's nice and warmer in here. The doors are locked.
Okay.
Safe from all the monsters. Just kidding.
Yuck.
Anyways, thank you guys again so much for tuning in. We want to give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters. Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Farsight, Starport 55, Crow Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, and Jax.
Woo!
Thank you guys so much. It's been a great Scary Farm season, haunt season. And next up, we're doing a private party that we scare at every year.
The rar.
We go rar for a little bit. And then it's our little display, haunt display for Halloween. So yeah, I don't know if we're going to vlog that day. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Comment down below if you guys want us to vlog our Halloween madness.
Ooh.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you next video.
Bye-bye.